Have you ever wondered how people are getting free crypto? No mining, no trading, no catch. It's called airdropping, and it's one of crypto's best-kept secrets. Welcome back to Digital Connects. Today, we're diving into crypto airdrops, what they are, why they matter, and how you can claim tokens without spending a dime. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know how to get in on the action like a pro. Let's go. What exactly is an airdrop? In the crypto world, an airdrop is when a project gives away free tokens to users, usually to promote their platform or reward loyal community members. Think of it like free samples at a grocery store, but instead of cheese, you're getting crypto. Airdrops are a win-win. Projects get exposure, and you get free tokens that could grow in value. But not all airdrops are the same. Let's break down the types. First, we have standard airdrops. You sign up, complete simple tasks like joining a Telegram group, and boom, free tokens. This type is perfect for beginners looking for quick rewards. Next, we have holder airdrops. These reward people who already hold a specific cryptocurrency in their wallet. For example, if you hold Ethereum, you might get free tokens from a new project built on Ethereum. This is best for long-term holders and those with diversified portfolios. When a blockchain splits like Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, holders of the original coin get free tokens on the new chain. This is called a fork drop, and it can lead to exciting opportunities. But there's more. Bounty airdrops require effort, like creating content or finding bugs. It's more work, but often the rewards are bigger, perfect for creators and developers. Each type of airdrop has its own vibe, so choose what fits your style. Now, why should you care? Imagine getting tokens for projects like Uniswap before they skyrocketed. That's the power of airdrops. To find legit airdrops, do a little detective work. Check crypto news sites like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko for upcoming drops. Follow crypto projects and influencers on X for real-time announcements. Want to score some crypto? Start by searching hashtags like #airdrop on Telegram and Discord. Many projects announce airdrops in their official groups, so join them. But be careful of imposters lurking around. Next, submit your own research and stick to trusted platforms. Double-check those links and protect your wallet. Scammers are sneaky, but you're smarter than that. Airdrops can be exciting, but stay vigilant. Score free tokens and discover new projects safely. Start small, stay safe, and you might just find the next big thing. Click the link in the description to join the Ruby airdrop and start earning today. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. For more crypto tips, drop a comment below. Have you ever participated in an airdrop? Let's hear your story. Until next time, keep stacking those coins.